Hello everyone, it's Full Stack Physics and welcome to this video. I'm always looking at better ways to improve your skills in physics, and doing exercises is usually a part of this. However, it isn't so easy. I think it's often the case that you read a new topic and you feel like you understand it well enough, but then, when you reach an exercise, the demands on your brain suddenly increase dramatically. What I'm going to look at here is a book of exercises that does things a little differently. It solves the problem of sudden hard exercises and lets you enjoy practicing the subject much more. You'll also see that it's great for students who wish to reach the highest level. Hopefully you'll appreciate this win-win situation. It's very good value for money. I'll show you where to get the book, what other material the publishers have also created. So here's the book. It's actually two books in one, and I'm here reviewing the top one. I'll try to review the second part at another time. I'll put a link to Isaac Physics in the description to where you can order this one. There you will also see further resources including videos and hundreds of further questions. And there are chemistry and maths volumes too. It's amazingly cheap. In the UK it can be got for £1. Now, what makes it special? Let's look at any topic, say this one on mechanics. The first question is trivial, so there's nothing stopping you from getting started. The next question is similar, just slightly more demanding. But building on your mastery of the first question, you can do it. Each question is similarly constructed, just building a little on what you've done in the previous. You never feel that you can't do a question, and yet you are always advancing. By the last question, you are operating naturally at an advanced level. While most physics books provide exercises, either you'll hit barriers that you can't overcome, or you feel that you're just wasting your time doing an exercise that isn't advancing you. That's why Isaac Physics is so brilliant. The book covers 2 years of pre-university physics. For the first year, there's mechanics, covering such items as trajectories, moments and Young's modulus. Electric currents, covering resistor combinations, Kirchhoff's laws, and internal resistance. Waves, including twin slits, the photoelectric effect, which is light knocking electrons out of a metal, and total internal reflection. There's also a section on uncertainties. Then, for the second year, there are questions on momentum, circular motion, and oscillators. Then there's gases and thermal physics, with the ideal gas law, which describes most gases reasonably well, and then specific heat and latent heats. Then fields, with electric fields and Coulomb's law, and magnetic fields with Faraday's law. That's the EMF resulting from a changing magnetic field. Capacitors, with energy stored, capacitor combinations and discharge. Then nuclear, with reaction equations, decay and binding energy using the mass-energy equivalent. Cosmology, including redshift and Hubble's law, which relates redshift and distance. The answers aren't given in the book, but are available online at this site. One issue is that you're expected to state the answer to the correct number of significant figures, which isn't straightforward. Get this wrong and your answer will be judged wrong. Happily, there is a page explaining the significant figures rules in the book. To get the book, visit isaacphysics.org. There you can also see the other things that Isaac Physics does. There it is, an outstanding resource. It'll provide you with a brilliant foundation in physics thinking. If you can find a better book of pre-university exercises, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to review what else Isaac Physics offers, the online resource, the other books on maths, chemistry and quantum, and also the second part of the current volume.